I bless you, O Lord my God, the maker of the ends of the universe. You did not come out of the universe came out of you. As the sun rises in the morning, my praises go up to you. Heaven and earth declare your glory. The sun, the moon, the stars give you praise. Until my last breath, I will praise your holy name. Thank you for your unmerited abounding provision in the unrestricted operation of your love. Thank you for the gift of Jesus, the day star from on high who you have sent to save mankind. He reflects the brightness of your glory and is the exact likeness of your own being, sustaining the universe with your powerful word. After achieving forgiveness for the sins of all human beings, he sat down in heaven at the right side of your supreme power. Thank you that Jesus enjoyed doing your will and lived his life sinlessly, in complete agreement with truth, with no deception, no corruption, no dark secrets, no shame, no guile. For the law was given through Moses, but God's unfailing love and faithfulness came through Jesus Christ. You in him spoke those compassionate and creative words and performed those mighty works. Thank you that through him, you revealed how I am to live and act, absolutely dependent on you as my indwelling Lord, aligning my life with his life as he walked on earth and beholding his glory, the glory of the one and only who came from you, full of grace and truth. For in you, O Lord, I live and move and exist and have all my being. What a joy to know that for both you who sanctify and me that is being sanctified are one, for which reason you are not ashamed to call me your brother. As the partaker of the heavenly calling, I carefully and enthusiastically reflect Jesus, the apostle and high priest of my confession. Therefore, since I have a great high priest who has passed through the heavens, Jesus, the Son of God, I hold firmly to what I profess, and I firmly resist a wicked heart of unbelief that turns away from the living God. What a delight to know that as I focus on Jesus, you change me into his image from glory to glory by your Spirit within me. As I step out this morning, the countenance of your glory radiates from within me into my world, impacting as many as come across me today, in Jesus' name.